everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an extra special deep cleaning. You can do anything in this video any time of year, but I usually try to tackle my home every season and give it a good deep cleaning. We are having a big celebration here on the farmhouse, and I thought this is a perfect time to clean the house and give it a good deep cleaning using essential oils. Okay, so like I said, I have this great deep cleaning video for you using essential oils and homemade ingredients, and we are gonna tackle the kitchen. We are gonna get down from the top and work our way down using all natural products and essential oils and give this kitchen a nice refresh, a deep clean. And like I said, I like to do this every fall, and we have an event coming up at our home, a big event, and I wanna make sure my kitchen is sparkling clean. So I'm gonna turn this camera around and let's do this.
Okay, first things first, whenever I deep clean or sanitize my home, I always use just warm water and vinegar, and my essential oils vary. I use lemon, orange, rosemary, tea tree, but I am adding lemon to my vinegar or water, and I'm going to use this solution to clean all of my white walls, molding, woodwork, ceiling fans, you name it, light switches as well. So basically I'm going to start from the top and work my way down, just getting rid of all the cobwebs, debris, or any spills or splatter, along with that cooking grease that may actually get on your ceilings, walls, etc. Now for this combination, I'm going to add tea tree and orange essential oil to my water. And this is going to be great because I'm going to clean all my light switches with this. Anything that anyone touches. Tea tree is great because it will kill bacteria and viruses and all that good stuff. Plus I like the orange, or you can even use lemon if you prefer that smell better to shine up anything that you want to shine up. So this is great on stainless steel appliances, along with my stainless steel light switches and outlet plates. After all that is sanitized, I'm just taking a cotton round, and you can even use a cotton ball, and I'm adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to that to shine everything up. And this also kills bacteria just as well as tea tree and orange. You can, if you don't have these particular essential oils, I have used rubbing alcohol, and that does an excellent job as well. Very natural, very clean, and not harsh. It's going to do the job just like any harsh over-the-counter cleaning spray would. Now, some of my light fixtures I can completely remove, which is great because I usually have some dead bugs that are in there, and I give them all a cleaning in a warm solution with the vinegar and essential oil that I desire. And you can, like I said, you can use the tea tree, lemon, orange, any of those combinations, or all three. My ceiling fan, I'm not sure if you have a ceiling fan in your kitchen, gets a lot of love with the grease and the cooking smells and smoke and all that jazz. So I'm cleaning that up really well. And then I'm moving on to my windows. I have two windows actually in my kitchen, and basically I'm just cleaning all of the jams up. And I have a DIY glass cleaner over on the blog, and I'll link that on my blog, and I'll link it below as well. So make sure you check that out. It's www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net, and you can make this easy glass cleaner. I pretty much use this on everything. I also use it on mirrors. I've used it on my stainless steel, and it has a bunch of great things in it. So now I'm moving on to all my cabinets. I didn't declutter or clean inside my cabinets, and I usually do that about once a year. But the outdoors of my cabinets, I clean a couple times just to kind of sanitize it from opening and shutting the doors. And I'm using a wood cleaner that is also on my blog as well. And this has orange essential oil in it, which is fantastic for preserving my wood cabinets. Now we're going to tackle my oven and stove, and I have a self-cleaner in my stove, so I am setting that up, and once it's cool, I'm ready to scrub it down.
Okay, so we are gonna make an oven cleaner to clean the inside of my oven and the top of my stove. All the other things that I use to clean in the kitchen, I have posts for that and videos for that, and I will link those below and in the cards, but I don't have any record of my oven and stove cleaner. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to get a glass bottle. I'm just using this amber glass bottle. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of baking soda, some Castile soap. I'm using this lemon one in the kitchen because it helps to degrease and it's safe and all natural to use around food and children. Some tea tree essential oil, lemon essential oil, and some warm water. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this spray bottle with these ingredients and use it to clean the inside and top of the stove. So pour in the water, because that's a little trickier, it's hot. And then I'm going to bring in my baking soda and put that in. And then once that goes through, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of my Castile soap and then my essential oils. And I'll have the details of this recipe over on the blog. So make sure you check that out, www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net. So that's what I'm doing here. And once everything is in here, I'm gonna give it a good shake and spray it, let it sit inside the oven and on top of the stove for about a good 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna scrub all of the grime and dirt, debris, bacteria, you name it, viruses, all off the stove and in the inside of the oven. Go ahead and put the cap on. And like I said, give it a good shake and then spray everything down.
Okay, so my self-cleaning oven already done its job and my oven is completely cool. And right now I'm spraying everything down with this solution. You can also make it in a bowl and use it as a paste. But basically I spray the whole thing down, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I go in with a stainless steel pad and wipe it all down. And this is just anything that didn't get unstuck, unglued when my self-cleaning was going on. So I'm giving it all a good clean, disinfecting, and it'll be ready to go for the fall and winter cooking. Now that is done, I am actually giving my floors a nice deep clean because I am going to give them a good washing.
Okay, so now we're gonna make a floor solution. Basically, I'm just filling up a bucket with a wash rag. You can use a mop too as well, with some warm water. And then I'm gonna fill this up. This is about a 5-gallon bucket. I'm gonna add about a half cup of vinegar, which is here, and orange essential oil. Any citrus oil would be great. And then I'm adding some rosemary too. This is such a great oil for cleaning in the kitchen. So I'm gonna do that now.
Yes, I am on my hands and feet giving my floor a deep cleaning for whatever reason. I don't know if this is just in my blood, but this is the way I was brought up, that any floor is super clean and you can get all the baseboards and the nooks and crannies and the crevices by just getting on your hands and feet. If you have bad knees, I don't probably recommend this, or have a pad to kneel on. But throughout the month, I may just mop, but I like to do this a few times a month.
So I hope you enjoyed this deep cleaning of my kitchen using natural products, essential oils. You can disinfect it, you can make it clean and great for your family or animals or whatever. And plus, you know what? The aromatherapy of it is hands down the best. So if you enjoy these type of videos, remember to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you want more cleaning videos. And in the comments below, let me know what you want me to tackle next in my house using essential oils. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. So long.